Hi traders, in this tutorial I'll walk you through the steps to open an additional XM account on your desktop. Whether you're setting up a demo to practice or a real account to trade live, the process is pretty straightforward. Let's get started. First, log into your XM platform with your email and password. Once you're in, click on the accounts type labeled as Real or Demo on the top left of the screen just above your chart. By opening the My Accounts panel, look for the plus symbol to the bottom right of the screen labeled as New Account. If you're looking to open a demo account, you're initially prompted to choose your MetaTrader type, MT5 or MT4. Click Continue. Choose your account type, click Continue, and opt for your leverage, base currency, and investment amount. You're even able to name your account. Click Continue. You'll ask for a trading account password. And that's it for the demo setup. Once it's done, you'll get a confirmation email with the details you need for this specific account, including instructions on how to install and log in to the platform you selected. Now, if you're opening an additional real account, you need to have completed the verification process. If you're not verified just yet, take a couple of minutes to do so, then you'll be good to go. Once you're verified, the rest of the steps for opening an additional real account are very similar to those of opening an additional demo account. Go to the accounts labeled as Real or Demo to the top left of the screen just above your chart. Open the My Accounts panel and look for the plus icon to the bottom right of the panel labeled as New Account. Select Real Account. You're initially prompted to choose your MetaTrader type, MT5 or MT4. Click Continue. Choose your account type, click Continue, and customize your trading account by means of leverage, base currency options, and even give your account a name. If you have a partner's code, you can enter it here. Once that's done, select the box to accept the terms of service. Then click Continue. You're then prompted to set a password for this particular account. Then click Complete. That's it. Your new account will then be created. To access it, click on the accounts labeled as Real or Demo to the top left of the screen just above your chart. Open the My Accounts panel and view your real accounts and your demo accounts within the relevant tabs. Just as with the demo account, you'll get an email confirming your new real account details and instructions for installing and logging into that trading platform in which you've chosen. And that's how you open an additional real and demo account. If you need more help, feel free to explore the other video tutorials. They're all designed to help you get started and make the most of the XM trading experience. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.